Ionic compounds contain a metal and or a polyatomic ion, and they're characterized by having the cation, which is positively charged, and the anion balance each other's charges out. Now, when naming an ionic compound, it's actually pretty simple. You state the name of the cation followed by the name of the anion. So in the example, Na3PO4, my cation would be sodium and my anion would be phosphate. Notice that my compound contains both a metal and a polyatomic, so I know it's ionic. So the name of this would be sodium phosphate. Pretty simple. The only wrinkle to this rule is that if your cation is a transition metal, in other words, if it's in that middle low area of the periodic table, you sometimes have to include a Roman numeral to indicate to your audience what the charge is. So for example, if I had the compound NiSO4, the name is nickel sulfate. However, my viewing audience may not know what the charge of nickel is, so I would need to put the Roman numeral 2, since nickel is paired up 1-to-1 with sulfate, and I know sulfate has a 2- charge, nickel has a 2+ charge, thus it's nickel 2. So NiSO4 is nickel 2 sulfate.